Ooh, you're stacking those cups nice. Yeah, oops, that fell. Just give me another one. There you go. Good girl. Oop. There you go. Oh, you want to give that to Daddy? Thank you. Can I get another cup? Ooh, good girl. Good girl. Yay, Francesca. Uh-oh. Okay, alright. Alright, I'll take that. Thank you. Yeah, oh, now you found your book, huh? You want Daddy to read you a book? Or you want to play with your cups a little more? Okay, I guess we're done playing cups. Okay, I'll switch to book. Alright. What do you want to do with that? Huh? What do you want to do with that? You want to read it? Okay, Daddy's going to read you a book.